Hello friends, my name is Samarth. I hope you are all doing well. I thought to be little bit more creative during this time. Like me, you all must have invested in stocks, mutual funds, and often like tracking the performance of it. To ease our daily performance search and keep knowledge of our investment portfolios up to date, I developed a simple and highly sensitive finance dashboard using R programming language and open source data streams. In this video, I'll be walking you through the dashboard. So let us run the code. First, the code will upload all the libraries. Let's maximize it. The code will prompt the user to log in. Now that we have access, we can search for any stock or mutual fund by simply entering the stock code. For now, let's just stick with Apple and try to predict. So the dashboard will get the last 3 years of data for Apple and try to forecast the stock price for the next 10 days using seasonal and non-seasonal ARIMA model. Based on the data, you can see that on the left hand side is the chart and on the right hand side are the next 10-day forecasts. Next is the widget tab. Here in the widget tab, user can enter other codes. So let's not stick with Apple. Let's go with Air Canada, whose stock code is AC.TO. And for the daily, let's make it a weekly time frame, and let's get January to till today. Once the user hits the submit button, it will get the data from Yahoo Finance based on selected parameters and display it here. And the interesting thing is that I have given user an option to download this data too. Below you will see a chart. I have provided this feature to show how the stock has moved for the last 10 years. This chart is interactive. If you are not interested in seeing open price, then you can just deselect it like so, and now you only see the closing price for Air Canada. If the user wants to see the chart that provides last 3 months or 6 months or year to date data, the chart will display it based on the appropriate button clicking option. You can auto scale it and go back. Next is the performance tab. Here you will be able to see that I have provided important finance parameters. For example, if the user clicks on any of them, so standard deviation, it will provide the definition for it. Also, I used quantitative data models to develop buy, sell and hold signals based on time series data. So now you can predict when to buy and sell the given stock. The principle behind this prediction is that when the faster moving average crosses the slower moving average, it is a good opportunity to buy that particular stock. To provide you with more predictive power, I developed my own algorithm that is also part of the short-term model. The name is AS star. Though I must tell you that it is not a good decision to rely on single model. So to be more accurate, I used simple ensemble technique to generate average signal that you see underneath each of the table. I know that some of you must have also invested in your home country or other countries. For this reason, I thought that I shall give users the ability to convert the currency. So exchange rate data is also provided. Let's try to get the exchange rate between Canada and Australia. Let's try to get weekly data. Let's try to get from January. and let's hit the submit button. And voila, you see the exchange rate between Australia and Canada. Next, you can also download this data if you like to do so. Next is the precious metal tab. The third tab is also very important. So for this, I get the data from Quandl. I provided three important precious metal options: gold, silver, and platinum. Again, the premise is the same. The user selects the appropriate parameters. So let's select silver and let's try to get monthly data. Let's try to get it from year 2010. Try to select January. Hit the submit button. Again, the premise is the same. Once the user submits all the parameters, time series data will be displayed in the table format on the right hand side, and an interactive chart that we saw previously will be displayed at the bottom. Here there is another performance tab that you see on the here. Again, the user can find the same famous finance parameters on the top. You will also find quantitative data models down here, and the most important and the unique item is an interactive sentiment analysis on the right hand side. Here the dashboard scrapes the data from Twitter and measures public sentiment every 10 seconds. This way, the user can also gauge an understanding of public opinion regarding precious metals in real time. Last is the tab that allows user to directly go to my LinkedIn profile and contact me directly. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, then please message me or comment down in the video. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching.